Welcome my friends. Today I am going to show you the step-by-step procedure to make an art form with different shades of wheat straws. You can use these artworks as beautiful home decoration, greetings cards, mementos and different types of showpieces. It's really an easy learning by which you can teach others or you can earn by selling this. Once I got offered to teach and buy these artworks to a number of people. Even a shopkeeper at Shantiniketan requested me to sell my artworks to him. But I couldn't do that at that time. Now, to overcome the boredom of my little daughter at home, especially during this pandemic situation, I have to make her engaged with such type of artworks and she really enjoys. However, let's start. First of all, wash the wheat straws and keep those under sunlight for drying. After that, the straws are flattened by cutting and rubbing with a smooth surface like plain granite stone or smooth surface of the scissor. These are the wheat straws cut into small pieces. Now I cut a straws to flat and I am rubbing with the smooth surface of the scissor like that. Or this is a smooth stone. I can rub with the stone. Now the straws are flattened. Next, a picture is drawn on a white paper with pencil. As today is the Father's Day, I have drawn a picture related to it. Yet, one thing I have to say, if anyone don't know drawing, then he or she can do this craft work taking a ready-made drawing or painting. After all, the final artwork will be done on a black art paper. Now the pencil drawing is cut along the outline with a needle and scissor. I have cut my picture and now I am drawing a outline along on the black art paper along the outline of the picture. Here the most important thing is that a proper direction of pasting the straws on the drawing picture have to be maintained. So only the picture will be seen to be perfect and beautiful. Now I am drawing the direction lines. At a portion of the picture. And on the body, this is the another direction, and on the hand, this is another direction. This is the face portion and this is another direction, and on the head portion, that is this direction. Now the baby is another direction. This is the baby's body and the baby's face on these direction lines, and on the baby's head I am drawing these direction lines. Now I am cutting the hand portion of similar direction line for pasting the straws. I have also drawn the inner picture's outline also for pasting the final straw pasted artworks. Now I have cut the inner lines to show the inner body lines. Now I am cutting the extra straws for giving the shape of the hand. Now I will pasting the straws according to the shading of the straws. Like painting, I am pasting these dark shading straws at the left side, and at the right side I will paste the light shading straws. Now I am starting. I am cutting the body lines already drawn at the back side. Now I am pasting on the black art paper along to the outline. Now the hand is ready. Now again I have to rub the pasted portion. Now I have completed the pasting of the straws in all the parts of the picture. Finally, I am pasting all the parts of the picture following the outline already drawn by pencil for assembling the picture. Now I am start pasting. Now my artwork is finished and my little daughter has made her Father's Day card like this. Please try yourself at home following my video, and to get my next updates, please subscribe my channel with no subscription charge or payment, and also share and like the video. Thanking you for watching my video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Wishing happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. Goodbye.